Hello everyone, this is Opster Gaming, and today I'll be showing you guys how to unmute games on your iPad. I'm specifically using the iPad 11 2025 version. So if you go into apps like YouTube or music, it will play the audio fine. But whenever you go into games like Clash of Clans for example, you've got no audio at all. No matter how much I turn it up or turn it down, just no difference whatsoever. So the fix of this is very simple. If you are to scroll down on your top right and click this little red bell icon here, silent mode is off. Now what will happen is if you go back to your game, it should have audio. So there is a very easy and quick example of how to fix the issue. It's something that you can very easily make a mistake with if you've got it on mute and you don't realise that this feature exists. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and definitely hit that bell icon for more content. For now, goodbye.